Hi guys, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to the Noni M podcast. We are still busy with the Senzo Mewa case, number one. Number two, the Chronicles of Unjabulo and Usispet. We are reacting to the latest video that Usispet posted when they were having a conversation regarding an article from Daily Sun that was posted there, got Daily Sun, back in 2014. Oyabona, when it comes to the internet, it doesn't forget. When it comes to the internet, it doesn't forget. It will drag you from back in the day if you don't sort it out. Yes, we do have things that have been put in the internet and we don't see them anymore. We know which ones, but we do have things. Nothing, we have posted things, go Instagram, go Facebook, copy, and we've deleted them because we didn't want them anymore. But when it comes to newspapers, the Daily Sun still has those articles when the case was still hot. When the case was still hot, like it was still dropping hot, like a hot, Gosiam. The things that were said right there, no one can unsay them now. They can unsay them now. They said a lot. So Daily Sun, Unjabulo shares with us the channel Suspect guys. If you want Jabulo straight, not me proposing for you, go to Suspect the Real Mastermind channel and you will see the things of the eyes there. So uthi Unjabulo kayesharisha ukuthi I just want to go straight to this part. Ithi le part. Hey, guys, yabona ngishaqekile ke I am shocked, shocked. Yonke nje into, anything that can come that is describing shocked, surprised, yay, I don't know, taken aback, wonke nje lawo magama because wow, what is this now? What is this na betnana siphi apha? Hi guys, when is Jesus coming back to fetch us so that we can go home? Because wow. So we have, I need this picture, yes. I need this picture because you guys need to see this. Let me get straight. There's a lot of things that did not make sense here. So yazi yini utumelo lana. But the friendly gathering turned ugly at about 8 p.m. 3 men came into the house. That's another lie that was exposed by Unjabulo through this article. Because that's not what Tumelo and others said inside the courtroom. They talk about 2 men that entered the house. Why back in 2014 on the 27th when he was having the interview, he was telling the journalists that 3 men came into the house. Why was Tumelo telling the journalists lies? And then he says they wanted Kelly's phone and she refused to give it to them. Didn't they say that Ukeli Kumalo ran into the room when the men entered the house? And also, didn't they say when these guys entered? Let's read this. There was a scuffle between Kelly and one of the men. Senzo stood up and tried to intervene, he said. That's to men. That was when the men pulled out a gun and shot Senzo. Hang on a sec. Didn't they say in the courtroom, Uzandi, Utumelo, Umtogo, didn't they tell the courtroom that when the 2 guys, they spoke of 2, not 3, but Utumelo back then he said 3. The story keeps changing. And then didn't they say that when the 2 men inside the courtroom, that's what they said, came in, the other one had a sharp object in his hand. The other one had a gun. He was wielding the gun like this, whatever the English name is, but he was doing this. So what does he mean here back in 2014 when he is going to say that actually the other guy pulled out? Why is he pulling out? Because back inside the courtroom, he said something else. And then he says he pulled out the gun and shot Senzo. Didn't they say that the reason Senzo got shot, that's what they said in the courtroom, guys, actually. They said that the reason Senzo got shot was because there was a scuffle. And in the midst of that scuffle, the firearm went off. uTumelo after that did not see anything because ezindlebeni zakhe, and he ran into the room. It was Mtoko who opened for him at a later stage, and he hid his phone under the blankets in the bedroom. So uTumelo kahle kahle, what kind of a friend is he? Because why am I saying that? He says I was shocked. All I saw was that my friend was bleeding when he went to the room. Didn't they say there was no blood in that house? So what does he mean that he was bleeding? No, guys. Tumelo said he is heartbroken. My childhood friend is gone. He said, I'm still shocked. I can't believe he is gone. Haibo. Kanti, guys, why are these people? Because this was back in 2014. This was back in 2014. Unjabulo did the research, and we are sponging off from that research, because I'm also shocked Jengo Tumelo in 2014. Guys, Utumelo was acting like a little demon there in the courtroom. Instead of assisting the courtroom to get to the bottom of what happened, Utumelo was behaving badly. That's what I can say. He was behaving badly instead of assisting the court. Yo, 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 yo. Utumelo abesabi, guys, ne? Utumelo abesabi. I remember there is also a clip where Utumelo is crying. He is, and I think it's a Monday morning when the people arrive. There's an interview. He is so like we are Lila, his eyes are red. I don't think he was okay even upstairs. I think he was not like Uguti, he went crazy, no, but he was a really, really disturbed at the time because the entire situation, the trauma and everything was still fresh. That's what I mean. But I don't think he was not okay. He was visibly not okay at when we if you can see that clip. But Tutumelo, man, no, he was not a good friend to Senzo. Because these lies are telling us that there is a lot of things that are being hidden here. Just the lies alone. They are telling us that there's a lot of things that are being hidden here. Just the lies alone. Guys, I cannot deal with Tumelo's lies. Tumelo's lies. And here the audacity to call the guys that are sitting in the dock Izinja. Aziboshwe izinja anginesabi mina manje jwang. I remember I did a video after that incident. It was 2023, and I was like, no man, I don't think Utumelo okay. He wants to end it all. He wishes that he can provoke them, and then after provoking them, they are going to make a plan because they are in Gabi. So in Gabi, they will make a plan and deal with him, take him out, do whatever, so that the pain that he is feeling. Guys, I don't think it's nice to stay with such a secret. This is not a child play secret. This is not like stealing sugar or cheating on your spouse or cheating on your girlfriend or your boyfriend. Yay, that's not the same thing. This one is very big. So I don't think Utumelo is having a great life after that incident, especially when there are lies like this that keep popping up. So when he was busy provoking the gents while they were sitting there, Abo Mr. Hitman, he was up to something. He wanted it to end. He wanted it. No, he must be a big boy. Stand, he stand. He took a stance, so he must stand the stance. He must stand for it. He must not want the easy way out. Shem, guys, yo, yazi kumbi. Kubi, konke nje kubi. How? Mna I don't believe ukuthi, yay, i-anger yakhe, guys, do you remember? The anger that he had when he was on the witness box with Tumelo, the anger he had when he met, whenever the name of Kelly was mentioned, whenever the name of Longwe was mentioned, he would get so pissed. He would be so angry. Kanti uDaily Sun wa-expose but sithi aba. He's battling with something, Sana Umhlekazi. Utumelo, he's really battling with something. Whatever it is, he is battling with something, guys. I honestly believe that he's battling with something. He was heartbroken then, he still is. I think now, I don't think he's enjoying life, even if he tries. I don't think he does, which is something that could have been sorted by just telling the truth, and then he can do whatever he wants after. Wow. And then Daily Sun, okay, we will talk about this. We will talk about this at a later video because what the heck? What the hell? There's something else Isigaxa. And there is Isigaxa after Isigaxa ke kula video ka Patricia no Njabulo. We will talk about that in another video. Let's end this one here and then I will see you on our next video. Guys, please make sure you do engage, you do like, you do everything. Ne? You share, you comment, everything. That way you are making this video go viral, please. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate you. Bye-bye.